Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Control Panel because this gives direct access to device installation options. Open Start, type Control Panel, and press Enter. Once the Control Panel appears, go to System, then click Advanced System Settings on the left. You need the Hardware tab next. Click it and select Device Installation Settings. This first action exposes the control that determines whether Windows automatically downloads driver software and icons. Make sure you follow each click in order, so the next slide shows the options you'll change. Now choose the behavior you want. When the Device Installation Settings dialog opens, you'll see an option to let Windows automatically download manufacturer's apps and custom icons. Select Yes to allow automatic driver downloads. If you need to control drivers manually, choose No to prevent automatic downloads. Once you make your selection, click Save Changes. This adjusts how Windows fetches drivers from Windows Update, which affects stability and convenience. Choose based on whether you prefer ease or manual vetting. Finish by restarting your PC so the new device installation policy is enforced. If a specific device still misbehaves, open Device Manager. Right-click the device, choose Update Driver or Roll Back Driver to revert recent changes. If a driver causes instability, set Device Installation Settings to No, uninstall the problematic driver from Device Manager, then reinstall the correct driver from the manufacturer's site. If problems persist, use System Restore to return to a prior working state. This often undoes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.